What is up, guys? We just unlocked the Karlsruhe. This is our first game in her. I'm excited to see how she is. For some reason, I loaded up and I had like 39 crates to open, and they got me up like 3.3 million credits. So that's pretty lit. So we're able to buy some new ships and upgrades and stuff like that. So we'll see how she is. See what we got. 10.6. Ooh, only 4 kilometers on the torps. That's gonna be unfortunate, but that's fine. Very interesting gun arrangements here from what I'm seeing. Could be worse though. Wait, is my mic muted? Okay, good, it's not. See how many users we got. Like, no users. Sick. Okay, that was a lot of shells flying. Quick reload time. Quick reload time. Oh, these boys just going head on, yeah? I might just go straight into this action, why not? Actually, let's go kill this destroyer. Got the German Navy flag. Oh, naval, sorry. Naval ensign, sorry. I want him, I want him, I want him, I want him. I can only launch 2 torps too. That's... oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. What? I'm dead. I'm quite literally dead already. What just happened? Where did all those torps come from? What the fuck? Where did all those torps just come from? I'm like genuinely confused where all those torps just came from. Alright, we'll just get into another game immediately with the Kuma. I'm still so confused where all that just came from. Where did all those torps just come from? I'm genuinely so confused right now. That was unreal. That was actually unreal. That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. British Royal Air Force Vickers Wellesley light bomber kicking up a dust cloud during a takeoff from East African airstrip, May 15th, 1941. Follow me on Twitter if you don't, at Hidden History YouTube. I also post on another page called Voices of World War II. Hidden History is Warships exclusively, essentially. And the other one is just On This Day. I guess I'd post an on this day on both, but on this day, just general World War II stuff. I kind of have a problem in addiction to caffeine. Drinking a cup of coffee, and then I get a Celsius in. And I drink Max, and usually do double espresso. Oh my gosh, I feel so fucking good. I just love drugs, if I'm being honest. Feeling normal. Even though caffeine's like not, I guess you could consider it a drug if you want. But don't do drugs, kids. Taking forever to get us in here in my days. Only scheduled until June 3rd. What day is that? June 3rd, June 4th, okay. Took so long to get in a battle, I'm gonna have to go just straight into this shit. Just die right away like I did last time, I guess. Well, what is that Y thing I got now? Is that like concentrated anti-aircraft fire? Is that what that means? I'm assuming that's what it means. Just sighting my guns, just sighting my guns. All AI. So you don't really get against users until you get to tier 5 is what I'm coming to learn a little bit. What does number 3 mean there? Is that my torps on one side? And torps on the other? It's kind of annoying it has to like swing around like that because it's not, as far as I'm seeing, it's not a joint thing. It's only launching on one side, launching those long lances, baby. Oh, what are those? Those chitons? What are those? What are those? Planes? Get some, boy. Oh, I hate packing. Gives me anxiety to think about what I still need to do. I'm a big overpacker. I've already got 1 out of 2 suitcases done, but we still got another whole one to do. I just like every piece of clothing I go through my closet or dresser, I'm like, oh yeah, there's one specific instance or scenario that I could need this for, and I never end up needing it. I'm really bad about bringing too many books back too. But I'm going to be gone for 2.5 months. I actually need to read a lot tonight, get a book done. Shit, I just realized that. Whoops, I'm about to ram this. Is that an enemy shooting at me? The fuck? Yes, run into him. Okay. Oh shit, he does have torp launchers. You son of a bitch, fuck you. Kaboom. Oh, I'm way more damage than I thought I was. How'd I get so damaged? Wada whipping, wada whipping, wada whipping, wada whipping. I need to finish my book today too. Sheesh. Trying to finish with the old breed. Eugene Sledge's book has been amazing so far. Oh, you fucking cock. Ooh. I'm getting like way closer than I wanted to. Kaboom. Yeah, I realize I can't play like this against users though. I'll be cityed immediately. Too easy. That's what we do. Perfect timing too. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day or night. Love ya. Look at those stats, baby. That's what we do.